Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to tell you that how you can hard reset Galaxy S9. But before that, I would like to request you guys to please go ahead and click on the subscribe button below, because I checked it out, because most of the people who are watching my video, they are not my subscriber. So before you start watching the video, please go ahead and subscribe my video. And to learn this process, you might have to watch the whole video. So to hard reset your Galaxy S9, first turn off your phone like this. Once you feel the vibration and the screen is totally black, hold down the volume up button and the Bixby button. While holding this button, turn on your phone with the power button. As you see the Samsung logo, leave the power button but keep holding the other two buttons until you see the Android logo or this recovery mode screen. So now, as you can see, it says reboot now. Now you have to use the volume keys up and down to move these options. Bring your option over to wipe data factory reset. Hit the power button to choose this, like this one. Once I hit this, volume down, factory data reset, press one more time power button, and as you can see, it's doing everything right there. The data wipe is complete. Now all we need to do is bring it to the reboot system now and hit the power button. It will reboot one time and it will turn on like a normal phone, like a brand new phone. So you will be able to set it up. So as you can see, that phone is fully reset. All you need to do is set it up. Next, skip. I will set up the password later. I don't need to do right now. But the most important thing I'm going to tell you right now, right here, when it's going to ask me for a Samsung account, any of your phone, if it has like a Samsung account, you can do the same thing and remove this Samsung account. Until there's a Google account, that is called like FRP, Google FRP, Google bypass account. That is a different thing. But if there is a Samsung account, we can do the same thing and remove it. But if there is a Google, you think that it's gonna do the same thing, but no. Google account is not gonna be fixed like this, but Samsung account can be fixed like that. I will try to make an account on Samsung and I will show you the tutorial on that. And that's it for the day. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, because the people you guys are watching my videos, like 90% of the people, they are not subscribed. So go for it, hit the subscriber button down below, hit the bell icon so you will get notified for the next video. And that's it for the day. Have a good one. Bye.